Okay, so today I have a little bit of a project. We have the Rotator remote here, and something that I want to try to do is, this is the rotate function on the remote, and you can currently see that it's just gray. And something that I want to try to do is add, basically split this lever in half and take some paint pens and get a blue and white paint pen. And basically what I want to do is based on the side of cable. So currently the blue cable is on the passenger side. So what I'd want to do is that'd be a counterclockwise rotation. So what I want to do is label the bottom of this switch here in a blue color and then the top a white. So basically when you're standing back here, you can look at the cable and basically go the direction in the cable. While counterclockwise and clockwise is like a good way to figure out which way you're going to rotate, I think colors will be more quickly recognizable. So we're going to try that. We're going to go get some paint pens that match the remote and go from there. So let's go ahead and get those. I will be right back. Alright, so we went and got the paint pens. Now I got a little bit of rubbing alcohol and a paper towel, and I'm going to see if I can strip away this gray paint. Might even just be able to peel it off. If not, we'll just go right on top of it. I just wanted to see if it'll come off or not. Okay. Well, looks like it's not going to come off. So we'll dry it. And then we should probably get some masking tape and do this the right way. So let me get some masking tape. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and mask this off right down the middle. That looks about right there. Okay, so I masked the bottom, as you can see. So that leaves the top exposed. So if I push this lever forward, that is gonna give me a clockwise swing. Clockwise on this boom is the white side of the cable, so we're going to paint that white. So let's get this paint pen, shake it up really good. Let's see, with cap on, shake vigorously before and during use, depress tip a few times to start paint flow, replace cap and store on side when not in use. Okay. Let's go ahead and get it more. Okay, let's see. Okay, there we go. We're flowing. Okay. So we got it. So as you can see, we have the white here with like a film of white paint, kind of like a bubble. What we're gonna do is make sure that that dries completely, and then we will switch the masking tape to the top side and paint the bottom blue. So let's go ahead and let it dry, and we will come back to it. Okay, so the paint has dried now, so what we'll do is peel that masking tape away, and we have a layer of white up here. So now what we're gonna go ahead and do is dry what's left of this paint. We are going to mask the top. Now we're going to do the bottom in blue. Alright, the paint is flowing, so we'll go ahead and put blue down here. Now we will let that dry. Alright everybody, this here is the finished product. As you can see, we have half white, half blue. If I want to rotate toward the white side, go this way. If I want to rotate toward the blue side, go this way. So now let's go ahead and test it out. Okay, so as you can see, we have white here and blue on that side. So if I take my remote and I want to come to the white side, I'll pull it toward me. Alright, excuse me, I'll push it away from me to the white. And it'll come to the white side. If I bring it back this way, it'll go to the blue side. I think that was a success. I think that'll help a lot. Alright everybody, so we are in the golf cart right now, and we are going to throw some stuff in the rotator. We got the headsets and another little surprise. So let's take the golf cart in here, go a little further. Here we have the headsets. We used them on a few jobs now, so we put them on charge, get them all topped off. We'll throw those back in the rotator. Those live in the rotator. And then we have two brand new 3/4 inch rim slings from Zips and AW Direct. I bought these. Excited to put those to use. I'm actually going to make a full tutorial video on all the uses of those slings. So stay tuned for that. But those are going to live in the rotator as well. So I'm going to go and throw all this stuff in the rotator, and we will see you later. Alright, so up in here we have all of our slings, most of them. There's another bin with 12 foots. But we have a 16-foot box up there and an 8-foot box. These are 8-foot rim slings, so they're going to go in the 8-foot box. Alright, here's one of them. We already added the zip tie. That's just to get it through the rim easier. One, and we'll put a second in. Alright guys, things are a little slow right now, so we're going to get the rotator all washed up, so let's go ahead and put it on the wash rack. Isn't she beautiful? Alex still at it over there. Good man. She's clean. All right, so this truck is all cleaned up. What we're gonna go ahead and do is let it sit here and dry, probably overnight, let everything dry up, and then what we'll do is tip the hood in the morning, get the windshield clean, get the air horns up there nice and clean, get the bugs off of them, and then we'll hit the tires with Tire Shine once that is all dried up. So let's go ahead and check out one of the F-150s, the new F-150s that just came back with a camper shell installed, or the like the cover top. So let's go check it out. What you think?
So cute.
What you think?
Very, very cute.
What you think? All right, here is the new ARE shell put on the F-150.
Oh, that's nice. Yep.
A lot of room.
A lot of them, huh?
Yeah. So now we just got to build that rack.
Which one?
They're talking about building a rack that will bring the batteries up to yay high.
Oh, okay, okay.
It's going to be one row here, and then like a walkway down the middle, and then another row here. So if you do need to like service your compressor or anything down there, you can.
Oh, okay, cool.
Mm-hmm.
That's a spaceship.
And I saw this right here. Look at this. It's got a light. It's got a light here, and then it looks almost like a camera right here. I don't know if it's wired, but because it has a camera here. Because that's a camera, right?
Yeah.
And it's got like a ladder rack on the top. Cool. Ah?
I like it.
Cool. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, so this particular Ford, and then all the rest of the Fords, has a few features that are ahead of the other trucks. So this one's got a tablet mount that we have here for the tablets that we use to dispatch our calls. So this will be nice because it's got a charging port, and it'll just be hard mounted to the truck. Additionally, down here we have our shop radio that allows us to communicate with our shop. This is just a matter of hitting the mic, and it calls into the office, and the dispatchers can hear us, and we can all communicate. Is it in reverse?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
I think it's just a brake light then. Brake light.